Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Definite Learning. Today we are going to start the third unit of the book Purvi, Class 7 English. And the name of the unit is Dreams and Discoveries. So in this unit today we are going to start the chapter My Brother's Great Invention. So before reading this chapter, let us do some activities here. Work in pairs and guess the invention. So some these riddles or you can say puzzles have been given here. I am a concept invented by ancient Indian mathematicians. I add value to numbers. Without me, calculations in the modern digital world would be impossible. Who am I? So ये बोल रहा है बेसिकली एक कॉन्सेप्ट है जो कि इंडियन मैथमेटिशियंस ने दिया है और जो नंबर्स में वैल्यू ऐड करता है. तो ये क्या है? सो दिस इज जीरो. जीरो. आई एम एन एंशियंट इंडियन प्रैक्टिस नाउ पॉपुलर ग्लोबली. अभी मैं पूरे विश्व में पॉपुलर हूँ. आई फोकस ऑन फिजिकल एंड मेंटल वेलबींग. व्हाट एम आई? सो दिस इज योगा. डिस्कस इन ग्रुप्स ऑफ फोर what you think the world today would have been like without inventions and discoveries. So in these days, today, there are so many discoveries and inventions. So here in this question, it is asking what the world would have been like. जो दुनिया है, संसार है, वो कैसा होता अगर कोई भी डिस्कवरीज और इन्वेंशंस ना होती. So this you have to discuss with your classmates in groups of 4 or 5. See the next. Fill the grid given below with missing letters to complete the words. These words display qualities of an inventor. So some letters have been given in between and some blank spaces also. You have to give the qualities of inventor. So first one is creativity. Next, curiosity. Next, risk taking. Next, determination. And then imagination. So these are the qualities of an inventor. So now let us start reading this chapter. So basically my brother's great invention is a story about a boy named Anand who is 13 years old and he loved to make inventions or he loved to invent new things. So this story is narrated or told by her sister, her elder sister Anita, who is 14 years old, 1 year elder than Anand. So जो आनंद है वो नए नए इन्वेंशंस करता रहता है और जो ये जो स्टोरी है वो उसकी बहन अनीता सुना रही है जो कि 14 years old है. Now let us see. Who put that water bag here? Roared my father from the front doorstep. Roared, he spoke in a loud voice. Father spoke in a loud voice. He asked, who put the water bag there? Your burglar alarm. I hissed to my brother. Hissed is completely opposite of roared. So I spoke in a soft voice. I whispered to my brother that it was his burglar alarm. Anand, who was getting ready to disappear from the house. So Anand, she told his brother Anand, who was getting ready to disappear. He was about to go out of the house. वो जो घर से बाहर जाने ही वाला था. मैंने उसको बोला तुम्हारी burglar alarm की बात हो रही है. Ma rushed in to see what the racket was all about and found Papa standing there, sopping wet and scowling. So scowling, he was having an angry expression. He was very angry and he was sopping, he was drenched. पूरी तरह से भीगा हुआ था, completely wet, soaked. SOAKED. So, because when father entered the house, there was a water bag on the upper side of the door. It fell down on his head. That's why father got drenched. वो पूरी तरह से भीग गए and he got angry. So Ma came there to see what was that racket, what was that loud noise. I want to know who is behind this nonsense, Papa said grimly, strictly. Papa asked strictly who did that or who was behind that nonsense. I think it's supposed to be a burglar alarm, Ma said in a soothing voice, soothing, pleasant tone. In a pleasant tone, Ma said that That was a burglar alarm. I don't care what it's was supposed to be, Papa said. Papa said that he didn't care what was that, but he was angry because he got wet. वो क्योंकि गीले हो गए थे, उनको गुस्सा आया हुआ था. उन्होंने बोला कि उन्हें he doesn't care. Where is that boy? I'm sure he rigged this up. Rigged up. It means assembled temporarily. So, father was sure that it was Anand behind that uh, new invention. Anand had vanished by this time and reappeared only after dinner when Papa had cooled down. Cooled down became normal. So he vanished, he disappeared, he left the house, and he reappeared or he came back after dinner till the time Papa became normal. कहते हैं कि वो उस टाइम तक जब पापा उसको ढूंढ रहे थे वो घर से बाहर जा चुका था और डिनर के बाद ही आया जब तक पापा नॉर्मल हो गए थे. बिफोर दिस स्टोरी लेट मी put you in the picture. I'm Anita, 14 years old. My brother Anand, 1 year younger than me, caused all that hoo-ha with his burglar alarm. So, the story is told by, or the story is narrated by Anita, who is 14 years old. And now, in this story, she is telling us about her brother Anand, who is 1 year younger than her. It means he was 13 years old. So, he created all that racket, all that noise, hoo ha, all that commotion, you can say, hangama, पूरा हंगामा उसी ने कर रखा था, उसकी burglar alarm ने कर रखा था. And this is not the first time he has got on Papa's nerves or frightened someone half to death in the house. So, he has got on Papa's nerves. It means he had made Papa angry. This was not the first time. He kept doing this. वो करता ही रहता था. The trouble with him is that he thinks he is a scientist. So he thought himself to be a scientist. He loves tinkering with all sorts of electrical gadgets, tools, dynamos, planks of wood, and things like that. So he loved tinkering, experimenting. He loved experimenting with all types of things, all types of electrical gadgets, tools, dynamos, planks of wood, all those of things. And he keeps creating inventions that never work out as they are supposed to. He didn't succeed in his inventions. He always kept trying, but he never succeeded. Recently, there had been a rush of thefts in the colony, and Anand had got it into his head that what was needed was a burglar alarm. So, recently, there was a number of thefts. There was an increase of thefts in the colony. उनकी कॉलोनी में चोरियां बढ़ गई थी, and Anand had got it into his mind, and it came to Anand's mind that there was a burglar alarm that was needed most. बर्गलर अलार्म की उन्हें बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत थी. ये उसके दिमाग में बैठ गया था. So the minute Papa left for the office and Ma for the market, he started on his latest scheme. Okay, when their parents left the house, Papa went to his office and mother went to market. He started doing his inventions. As usual, I had to be involved. So generally, she was involved with him. So as usual, this time also she was involved. हमेशा की तरह वो इस बार भी उसमें involved थी, शामिल थी उसके साथ. Though I would have preferred to finish my novel. So recently she was reading a novel and she wanted to complete it. वो अपना novel complete करना चाहती थी. फिर भी वो उसके साथ include थी उसकी invention में. If you get a shelling, don't bring me in, I warned Anand. She threatened his brother Anand that if he got a shelling is scolding. अगर उसको डांट पड़ती है, that she was not in that. She was not included. वो उसमें शामिल नहीं रहेगी अगर उसको डांट पड़ेगी तो. Nothing will go wrong this time. I have planned it out carefully. See the blueprint. So Anand assured him that nothing will go wrong that time, and he showed her the blueprint. Blueprint is a design, a thorough design of a scheme, a detailed design or plan used to build something. This is blueprint. Anand loves words like blueprint. It makes him feel professional. Anyway, I looked at the elaborate drawing of doors, wires, and bells and asked, how does this thing work? So he showed Anita his blueprint, and Anita also saw that elaborate drawings. Elaborate means detailed drawings of doors, wires. He had drawn everything. And then Anita asked him how that worked. It's quite simple. The moment the door opens, this alarm is tripped off and makes a clanging sound. Tripped off, it gets activated. Clipped off, it gets, uh, sorry, it's not clipped off, it's tripped off to activate suddenly. So he said that that was very simple. At the time the door opens, the alarm gets activated and it makes a clanging sound. Clanging sound, the meaning maybe has been given here. Yes, a loud ringing sound, like a metal, a loud ringing sound. So when the door opens, the alarm gets activated and it starts making a noise. Then this water bag here, then this water bag here is loosened and falls on the thief's head. By then we call the police. Simple. So they will get the time to call the police when the thief enters the house. He gets drenched, वो भीग जाएगा. जैसे ही वो enter करेगा, the water will fall down on his head and he gets distracted. So they will get some time to call the police. उनको पुलिस को बुलाने का टाइम मिल जाएगा जब वाटर बैग उसके ऊपर गिरेगा और वो डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएगा तो. बट हाउ डज द अलार्म नो दैट अ बर्गलर इज ओपनिंग द डोर? बट उसकी बहन का क्वेश्चन था कि इस अलार्म को कैसे पता चलेगा कोई बर्गलर ही ओपन कर रहे हैं डोर को, कोई थीफ ही इसको ओपन कर रहे हैं. आई हैव टेकन केयर ऑफ दैट, आनंद सेड लॉफ्टीली. लॉफ्टीली, प्राउडली, थोड़ा उसने घमंड के साथ कहा that he has taken care of that. He has kept that thing in mind. I had my own doubts about the alarm's guessing powers, but kept them to myself because when Anand is in one of his inventive modes, nothing stops him. So Anita had some doubts about the burglar alarm, but she kept the doubts to herself. उसने अपने डाउट अपने पास ही रखे because she thought that when he started doing something, ही वॉज वेरी determined. जब वो कुछ शुरू करता था तो वो बहुत पक्का कर लेता था उस चीज को. यू सी, आनंद एक्सप्लेन स्मगली प्राउडली. अ थीफ ट्राइज टू ओपन द डोर स्टिल्दली क्वाइटली. एक चोर जो है वो क्वाइटली ओपन करता है डोर को. आई हैव रिग्ड इट अप सो दैट द अलार्म वर्क्स only when the door is opened gently. I have rigged it up. Here you can say I have made it so that the alarm works only when the door is opened gently. जब डोर को gently खोला जाएगा तभी ये काम करेगी. I was skeptical. I was doubtful. So she had some doubts again. Remember, if Papa asks, I am not involved. I warned. She warned him again that if his father asked, if his father scolded, she was not involved in that. Now clean up this mess before anyone gets home, before anyone comes home. So she told him to wind up all these things before anyone came home. As you already know, my doubts about the alarm were quite justified. Papa, who always opens the door softly, was thoroughly soaked and angry as could be. Angry could be. So his father was extremely angry, very much angry. बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा थे. जब वो भीग गए थे, उन्होंने एंटर किया, बर्गलर अलार्म उनके ऊपर गिर गई क्योंकि वो हमेशा ही जेंटली डोर को ओपन करते थे और वो जैसे ही भीगे तो उनको बहुत गुस्सा आया. सो ही वॉज एक्सट्रीमली एंग्री. Anyway, for a week after this, Anand did not dare try out anything new. So, for 1 week, he did not try anything new. Then we saw this film, Back to the Future. Back to the Future. I don't know if you have seen it, but it's all about a time machine. Well, that was the end of peace and quiet in the house. Listen, after burglar alarm incident, he was not doing anything new. But then they watched a movie, Back to the Future. She is mentioning the name of the movie because the next invention is related to this movie. वो इस मूवी को यहाँ क्यों मेंशन कर रही है क्योंकि इसी से रिलेटेड आनंद की नेक्स्ट इन्वेंशन होने वाली थी. My brother decided that he had to make a time machine too. So his next invention was time machine. Papa locked up his toolbox and hid the key while Ma kept a very careful eye on her oven and mixer. Because usually Anand used all sorts of things found in the house. घर में कोई भी चीज मिल जाए उसी को तोड़ के फोड़ के वो उसको यूज कर लिया करता था. That's why Papa locked up his toolbox and mother kept a careful eye or a careful watch on her things like oven or mixer. Because as I told you, when Anand is on one of his inventing binges, he takes apart all the gadgets in the house to collect parts. Binges to do something excessively in a short period. कहता है कि when he is on वन ऑफ हिज इन्वेंटिंग बिंजेज, कहता है कि जब भी उसका टाइम होता करने का, उसका मन करता था, बहुत उतावला होता था वो चीज़ों को करने के लिए, कि घर में जो भी चीज़ें मिलती उनको फाड़ तोड़ के अलग करके उनको कलेक्ट कर लिया करता था अपने काम की चीज़ें. यू कांट इमेजिन द नॉइज that was going on, hammering and showing and clattering. Anand's room next to our room was transformed into a network of wires, springs, levers, and bulbs. So there was a lot of noise in his room, and the whole room was meshed up with the things. It was full of the things like wires, springs, levers, and bulbs. There was an enormous panel which was to be control switchboard. So there was a switchboard. There was very big board that is to control switchboard switches. As for Anand, he went around looking like a savage. So he was roaming here and there like a savage. Savage is, you can say, a very violent person. Very violent person. When Ma didn't notice, the fellow didn't even comb his hair. होता है ना, मम्मियाँ बोलती हैं घरों में नहा लो, बाल संवार लो, तेल लगा लो. तो ऐसा ही आनंद के साथ था. जब माँ ने नहीं देखा तो कंघी भी नहीं करता. घर में ऐसे सैवेज की तरह घूमता रहता था. मतलब वो होता है एक असभ्य इंसान की तरह घूमता रहता है इधर उधर. बस उसको अपनी इन्वेंशन ही करनी थी. Anand just wouldn't let anyone into his room. So he did not let anyone enter his room. किसी को अंदर नहीं आने दिया. Finally, after a fortnight of frantic activity, fortnight is a period of 15 days, 15 दिनों तक, 2 weeks तक. Okay? After a fortnight, after 2 weeks of busy activity, hurried activity, the time machine was ready. We can try it out tonight, Anand announced to everyone at home at lunchtime. So now he was happy that he had completed his invention, and he announced at the dinner table that they could try it that night. I don't know what you have been up to in that room, but you are not trying out anything new, Papa said firmly, strictly. उन्होंने बिल्कुल जोर देकर बोला that Anand will not try anything new. But it's a time machine. I've invented it. Anand protested. Anand tried to argue with his father that he had made a time machine. When I say no, I mean no, Papa said, glaring. So Papa said, looking at him strictly, that he did not have to do anything new. No means no. पापा ने बोला मैंने अगर ना कहा है तो उसका ना ही मतलब है, तुम कुछ भी नया नहीं करोगे. Poor boy, Ma said, noticing Anand's crestfallen look, sad and disappointed appearance. His sad and disappointed appearance. At least let's take a look at it. Ma, Ma said that they could take a look at it. माँ ने बोला ट्राई नहीं करते हैं, देख तो लेते हैं एक बार. Papa sighed. Papa took a deep breath. All right. But if the house falls, it's your fault. If there is something caused by this, mother will be responsible. पापा ने कहा अगर कुछ भी गलत हुआ, कुछ भी उसने प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट की, तो उसके लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल आप ही होंगी. उसकी मदर को बोला. As it turned out, we could not try out the time machine that day at all. The next day, Papa and Ma were going to Kharagpur, a few hours away from Calcutta, for a wedding. So that day, they could not try the time machine. Next day, their parents were going to Kharagpur. Kharagpur was a few hours of distance from Kolkata. They were going to attend a wedding there. Ma was worried about leaving us alone, but we reassured her. We are old enough to look after ourselves. Ma, I said, and we can go next door to Sarma auntie if we need anything. So, their mother did not want to leave them alone. She was worried for them, but they reassured them by saying that they were old enough to take care themselves, and if they needed something, they could go to their neighbor, next door neighbor, Mrs. Sarma. उनकी उनके फादर और मदर खड़गपुर जा रहे थे नेक्स्ट डे, और वे उनकी मदर जो थी वो उनको छोड़ना नहीं चाहती थी अकेले। लेकिन दोनों बहन भाइयों ने उनको रीअश्योर किया, इंश्योर किया कि वो अपना ख्याल रख लेंगे, और अगर कुछ ज़रूरत हुई तो पास वाली शर्मा आंटी के पास चले जाएंगे। And it's only one night, Anand added. Anand said that it was only for one night. They could take care of themselves. All right, but promise me you won't do anything with that time machine will till we come back. Ma said sternly, strictly, looking at Anand. So Ma asked Anand not to do anything with the time machine till they came back. He promised half-heartedly. So he was not willing to promise for that. वो करना नहीं चाहता था उसके लिए प्रॉमिस, ये नहीं कहना चाहता था कि मैं कुछ भी नहीं करूँगा, but he promised his mother half-heartedly or unwillingly, you can say, offended at this lack of respect for his creation. So he felt upset because he did not get uh, good respect for his invention. I breathed a sigh of relief. I took a sigh of relief or a deep breath because she was also ensured that he would not do anything with his time machine till their parents came back. अब उसको भी श्योर हो गया कि उसके पेरेंट्स आने तक वो कुछ नहीं करेगा. They left by the afternoon train and were coming back the following evening. So next day they left the house. Anand fell asleep immediately, but I stayed up to finish a novel. So he slept. Anand slept immediately, but she was reading her novel. At about 11:30, I thought I heard a scratching at the front door. So it was the time 11:30, and she heard a noise like someone was scratching the door. Telling myself it was only my imagination, I went back to the book. So she told herself that there was no one at the door. She was only imagining the things. It was only her imagination. And she again started reading the book. उसने सोचा कोई नहीं है डोर पर, ये केवल उसकी इमेजिनेशन है, और उसने फिर से पढ़ना शुरू कर दिया. A little later, there was a rattle and a click. Rattle and a click, again a clattering sound there. I was really scared. So this time she was scared. She was frightened. डर गई थी वो. I can tell you. What with a murder story before me and then strange noises in the middle of the night. So, a murder story before me, it means she was reading the novel about a murder story. एक तो वो रात को, आधी रात को मर्डर स्टोरी पढ़ रही थी. And उसके बाद she heard some strange noises at the door. That's why she was scared. इसलिए वो डर गई थी. I shook Anand and whispered, "Listen, there is someone at the door." She whispered that there was someone at the door. She woke him up. "Go and open it then," he muttered groggily. Groggily, he was half asleep. Sleepily, he was half asleep. He muttered. He spoke in a low voice to go and open the door. "You silly, someone is trying to get in," I said. "Get in, enter." She again told Anand that someone was trying to enter the house. Anand sat up. "Who? What?" So he was shocked. He suddenly got up and he asked who was there and what was there. "I don't know," I said. "What shall we do?" So she asked for suggestion कि क्या करें हम. "Let's holler for help." Holler means yelp, shout. चलो चिल्लाते हैं. चलो चिल्लाते हैं help के लिए. Before we could do anything, the door swung open and we found ourselves looking at a ruffianly fellow with a green scarf around his neck. So before they could shout, because आनंद ने कहा था चलो चिल्लाते हैं हेल्प के लिए. So before they could shout, uh, the door was suddenly opened and they were looking at a ruffianly fellow. Ruffianly fellow, it means a violent looking man. There was a violent looking man. They were looking at him. and he wore a green scarf around his neck. Anand gasped. Anand gasped. He took a short, deep breath in surprise. He was surprised to see the man. Hey, it's Bopa. Hey, it's Bopa. I whispered. I spoke softly. It was indeed the fellow. Indeed, really, such me. It was indeed the fellow who had recently begun sweeping out the compounds in a row of houses. So it was the man named Bopa who was working of sweeping in the street. गली में साफ सफाई का काम करने के लिए उसको रखा गया था उनकी रो के houses की. So he was the thief, and no wonder. So there was no wonder that he was a thief. He knew exactly when the occupants were out, leaving the coast clear. Coast clear, way clear. उसका रास्ता क्लियर करने के लिए he already knew when the occupants, when the residents of the houses were leaving the home, कि लोग कब अपने घरों से बाहर जाएंगे उसके पास इंफॉर्मेशन होती थी क्योंकि वो वहीं काम करता था और इससे उसका रास्ता साफ हो जाता था. The fellow gave an evil grin. So evil grin. He smiled evilly, or he smiled victorly. One squeak out of you and see what happens, he said. So he warned them not to say anything. Squeak, not to shout, he said, brandishing his cudgel. Cudgel is a short, thick stick. Brandishing, waving. So he waved his stick and he backed out of the room. He went out of the room. We heard him slide the latch in. So he locked the latch. He locked the room with the latch. उसने कुंडी से दरवाजा बंद कर दिया. What do we do now? I asked in a low voice. She asked Anand in a low voice. What to do? Let's shout anyway, Anand suggested. So Anand suggested her sister to shout. The door opened suddenly again in the middle of our discussion. While they were discussing, the door opened again. So they could not shout. वो चिल्ला ही नहीं पाए. अभी डिस्कस कर रहे थे क्या करें, तभी दरवाजा फिर से खुला. No noise from you. Now where is your father's room? So again he warned them not to make a noise. उसने फिर से बोला कि कोई आवाज नहीं करनी. And then he asked about their father's room. I was about to direct him upstairs when Anand said quickly, the one next to this one. So she was going to tell him that his father's room was upstairs. वो उसको point करने ही वाली थी कि ऊपर है उसके father का room. Anand quickly said that the room next door was father's room. कि जो अगला room है वही father का room है. You silly goose, I said angrily as soon as the man had gone. And as the man went out, she scolded Anand by saying silly goose. उसने उसको silly goose कहा और कहा कि मूर्ख तुमने क्यों बताया, वो तुम्हारा रूम है, फादर का रूम थोड़े है. That is your room. He will come back as mad can be. So he will come back again after seeing that it was not father's room. वो जल्दी ही आ जाएगा देखने के बाद कि ये फादर का रूम नहीं है. At least it will give us some time to think of something, Anand said. He will take a while to locate the light switch. Let us shout. So Anand said that the man will take some time to find out the switchboard until we get some time to shout. All of a sudden, there was a crash followed by loud screams. There was a crash, there was a noise. वहां पे एक साउंड हुई, एक नॉइज हुई, क्रैश कुछ टूटने की, like something was breaking there, and there was a loud scream too, loud shout too. More strange noises emerged from the next room. A few muffled thumps. Muffled, not very clear, ambiguous. Thumps, an eerie whine. Eerie, strange. Whine मतलब कोई कराह रहा हो दर्द से, like someone was shouting with pain. And a low humming sound. So, from next door, from next room, they heard some noises there. My time machine! He has started it! Anand gasped. Anand took a deep breath and said that the man has touched his time machine. I wish we could get out of this room and see what is happening out there. So he wanted to get out of the room and see what was happening there in the next room with the time machine. वो देखना चाहता था कि अगले रूम में हो क्या रहा है. वो बोला कि शायद काश हम यहाँ से बाहर निकल पाते और देख पाते कि उस आदमी ने किया क्या है मेरी टाइम मशीन के साथ. There was another howl. There was another noise. एक और आवाज आई वहां से, much fainter this time, and a great deal of clattering. Continuous loud noises were there. We shouted for all we were worth. We were worth is it means they shouted very loudly. जितना जोर से वो कर सकते थे उतना जोर से वो चिल्लाए. In a few minutes, we heard footsteps running up our drive. So, in a few minutes, they heard some noises coming towards them. Thankfully, we recognized Mrs. Sharma's voice along with her husband and Dr. Mohan, also a neighbor. So, after some time, they heard noises from their neighbors. There was Mrs. Sharma, her husband, and another neighbor, Dr. Mohan. Anand, Anita, children, what's the matter? Where are you? So, they were finding them. Maybe they heard some noises from their house. That's why they came there. और वो उनको ढूंढने लगे. उन्होंने कुछ आवाजें सुनी होंगी उनके घर से और वो ढूंढते ढूंढते बच्चों को आ गए वहां पे. Here we shouted in unison, in unison together. We shouted together. In a minute, the door was unlocked. So their neighbors unlocked the door. What on earth has been happening here, children? Sharma uncle asked. So Sharma uncle asked what was happening there. Both Anand and I fell over ourselves trying to explain what is the fellow. Where is the fellow now? So they were in a rush to tell them the facts. Fell over. कहता कि इतनी जल्दी में थे हम दोनों कि ईगर थे बताने के लिए, एक दूसरे से आगे निकलना चाह रहे थे. वो उससे जल्दी बताए, वो उससे जल्दी बताए. So they were eager. They were in a rush to tell them the things. They asked, "Where is the fellow now?" So they asked about the fellow. The last we heard, he was in the time machine. I explained hastily, quickly, seeing everyone looking rather puzzled because their neighbors didn't know about the time machine. And she hastily, quickly said that the man was in time machine. उसने जल्दी में बोल दिया फ्लो में कि वो आदमी था वो टाइम मशीन में था. अब वो लोग कंफ्यूज हो गए, पजल्ड हो गए. We entered the room cautiously and turned on the lights. The time machine was still humming softly, but otherwise there was no other sound from the room. So they entered cautiously and they switched on the lights. There was still some sounds from the time machine, but uh, uh, except that except that humming sound from the machine, there was no other sounds. रूम से कोई और आवाज नहीं आ रही थी, बस हमिंग साउंड आ रही थी मशीन से. Well, where is he? Dr. Mohan asked, peering behind the doors. Peering behind, looking carefully behind the doors. Did you imagine this? He asked the children if they imagined the things कि ऐसी चीजें हो जाएंगी, क्या imagine भी किया था उन्होंने? Oh no, I protested. She denied. उसने कहा रे नहीं. How could both of us have imagined the same things? हम इस टाइप की चीजें कैसे imagine कर सकते थे कि कोई आएगा और ऐसे हम दोनों अकेले ही होंगे. Maybe he ran out, Anand suggested. So Anand suggested that the thief might have run away. I am sure we would have seen him. There is only one way out of this house, and we came the same way as soon as we heard you. Sharma uncle sounded very sure. So, surely, definitely. He was sure by saying that they did not see the thief. They did not see anyone running out. उन्होंने किसी को बाहर नहीं जाते हुए देखा. If he had run out, they would have seen him. अगर वो बाहर गया होता तो उन्होंने उसको देखा होता. Because there was only one way to go out. वहाँ बाहर जाने का एक ही रास्ता था. Look, Anand said, pointing to the floor. He was wearing that. Near the panel of switches was the green scarf. So, the green scarf that the man wore was lying there on the floor. वो फ्लोर पे ही पड़ा था जो आदमी ने स्कार्फ पहना था ग्रीन कलर का. Let's search the house. Perhaps he's still around, Dr. Mohan said, going upstairs. So, Dr. Mohan went upstairs and he tried to look out the man. Bopa was nowhere to be seen. Bopa, the man, the thief who entered their house, he was nowhere in the house. Well, maybe he did run out and we missed him, Mrs. Sharma said at last. I can't imagine what else could have happened. So Mrs. Sharma at last said that maybe the man ran away and they could not see him. भाई शायद आदमी भाग गया और वो उसको देख नहीं पाए. My time machine. He has gone through that. Anand burst out, his eyes shining. So Anand thought the man had gone to his टाइमिंग मशीन. उसकी टाइमिंग मशीन में चला गया है आदमी. अब वो उसकी आंखें चमक उठी. Why? His eyes were shining because he thought that he succeeded in his invention. उसने सोचा कि जो उसका जो इन्वेंशन था वो सक्सीड हो गया. और जो आदमी है वो टाइम मशीन ने खत्म कर दिया। What an imagination this boy has, Mr. Sharma said, smiling indulgently, fondly. जैसे वो होते हैं ना, बच्चे कुछ गलत बातें भी कर दें तो वो माफ कर दें और हंसने लग जाएं उनकी बातों पे। तो he fondly smiled and he thought that he was only imagining things. Now off to bed, both of you. I will spend the night here, so you need not worry about any more intruders now. Intruders जो बाहर से घुस के आ जाते हैं, कोई लोग जो आपके घर में घुस जाते हैं, people who enter a place without permission. So Mr. Sharma asked them to go to bed, and he also said that he would spend the night in their house so that they need not worry for more intruders. भाई वो डरे ना रात में, इसलिए वो उनके घर पे ही रुकेगा. Needless to say, Bopa was never seen again. Anand insists that his time machine worked and he disappeared into the past. So they never seen Bopa again. उन्होंने बोपा को कभी भी नहीं देखा. And Anand thought that he has went into his time machine and he had gone to into past, कि वो past में चला गया, time machine में चला गया वो. The machine itself was dismantled because Papa thought it wasn't safe. Dismantled, took apart. उसको तोड़ दिया गया, उसको अलग अलग कर दिया गया. Because Papa thought that it was not good, it was not safe. Maybe he also had a niggling suspicion that it worked. पापा को भी थोड़ा सा तो कहीं फीलिंग थी ऐसी कि टाइम मशीन ने काम किया और बोपा इसी के अंदर चला गया. So we couldn't try it out. As for Anand, he is convinced that he is a genius and has launched a new project. अब टाइम मशीन के बाद अब बारी थी एक नए इन्वेंशन की, क्योंकि वो तो अपने आप को साइंटिस्ट समझता था और इन्वेंशंस करते ही रहता था. Something about a telephone to contact creatures in outer space. Tell you all about it next time. Anita Rao Badami. So she is the writer and she is saying that she will tell us about Anand's invention sometime later. So here we have completed the story, My Brother's Great Invention. Watch the video carefully. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.